Hello everyone, hope you are at home and doing good. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to write job application letter. But before that, I warn you all should know what is job application letter. A job application is a letter written for getting a job. It is primary means of introducing the job seeker to the employer. It acts as a personal advertisement. It contains appeal for the job along with the job seeker's personal data like name, address, qualification and experience. A job application consists of two parts, the covering letter and the biodata. Let's learn how to write covering letter. Like all the formal letters, this letter too starts with sender address first, which is to put on the left hand corner. The sender address is followed by the date just below it. This is the date on which the letter is being written, and it is to be written in expanded form like April 27, 2021. Then comes receiver's address. Here you need to be sure that you are writing official title, name, position, etc. of the receiver as the first line of the address. Then with subject, sum up the purpose of writing the letter in one line, and it is important to underline the subject. Next comes salutation, where you greet the person you are addressing the letter to. So here you can write sir or madam. Next comes body. This is the main content of the letter. It should be divided into 3 paragraphs or 2 paragraphs. The tone of the content should be very formal. We need not to use any flowery language. Here we should keep the things in mind that it should be very concise and to the point, and at the same time we should be very respectful and considerate in our language. Then comes complimentary clause, means you are writing the words yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Then finally you sign your name and you write your name in blue letters beneath the signature. This is how the recipient will know who is sending the letter. After covering letter, you need to write your biodata, which is generally divided into 4 parts: personal details, qualifications, experience and reference. It goes like biodata as heading, then further details like name, father's name, date of birth, address, age, contact number, email ID, nationality, marital status and qualification. Make sure that qualification must be written in tabular form, like first of all name of the examination, then name of the board or university, then name of the institution and year of passing, and finally the percentage. After qualification comes a work experience, then achievements, then languages you know, skills, weaknesses, hobbies, reference, declaration, date, place, signature. Just end up your letter writing enclosure, which include the name of the documents and testimonials like photograph, biodata, copies of certificates or any other. Here are a few valuable tips for you to attempt job application letter in a better way. Make sure you double check for grammatical accuracy and spellings because they carry marks. Leave adequate lines between paragraphs to make it look more clean. Underline the main points but use pencil and scale for underlining. Don't use slangs or short forms. Try not to exceed the prescribed word limit. Let's solve a question. For example, Bal Vidya Public School, Bhilai urgently requires a postgraduate teacher to teach political science, for which they have placed an advertisement in the Bhilai Express. You are Sanjay or Sanjana Sharma from 21 Vasant Marg, Bhilai. Draft a letter including a CV applying for the advertised post. So dear students, as you know, we start our letter with sender address, and the sender address will write on the top left hand corner. The sender address, which is already given in the question, will write the same as 21, Vasant Marg, and just beneath it we will write the name of the city, Bhilai. Then after leaving a line we'll write date, and that will write in extended form like 1 March 2021. And then after leaving a line we'll write receiver's address, which is to start with official title, name and position. So for receiver address, here we'll write the principal and underneath that school's name, Bal Vidya Public School, and then city. Then we write the purpose of writing this letter, means subject. Here we'll write application for the post of a postgraduate teacher. And then comes salutation, where we greet the person writing sir or madam. Then it comes the body of the letter. Start first paragraph by mentioning the source of information about the news. For example, newspaper along with the date, and also mention the post you wish to apply for. As it is mentioned in this letter, in response to your advertisement in the Bhilai Express dated for the post of political science teacher in your renowned school, I wish to offer my candidature. For second paragraph, we need to tell about our qualification, achievement, and our previous experience, for which we can attach a copy of our biodata as it is written in this letter form. I am enclosing a copy of my biodata for your perusal and kind consideration. And in third paragraph, you tell about how one can reach you for interview and your dedication for this job. As it is mentioned in the third para given here, I am available for the interview on any day of your convenience. If given a chance to serve you, I assure you that I shall work with utmost sincerity and dedication up to your satisfaction. At the end of your letter comes complimentary clause, and that is the words yours faithfully and yours sincerely. Then comes signature. Here finally you sign your name and then write your name in block letters beneath the signature. Then comes second part of your letter, that is biodata. For biodata, you need to write particulars like name, father's name, date of birth, address, age, contact number, email ID, nationality, marital status, qualifications. Qualification must be written in tabular form, and for that we can make the columns like first name of the examination, then name of the board or university, then name of the institution, then year of passing, and finally percentage. Then comes work experience, and our work experience should be mentioned from latest to the oldest. And then achievements, languages, skills, weaknesses, hobbies, references, declaration, date, place, signature, and here we are ending up a letter. Hope it was informative.